Everybody loves free Wi-Fi. It's an important factor for the connected traveller when they're choosing a hotel. Yet it's not safe. Your devices are connecting to insecure, non-encrypted Wi-Fi networks. The problem is that if you use Hotel Wi-Fi, you'll be open to scams, hacks, viruses, and all sorts of malicious software attacks. It's just how Wi-Fi networks work. Traffic from all sorts of mobile devices broadcasts loudly over the airwaves. It just makes any public Wi-Fi network very insecure. Cybercriminal just needs a cheap Wi-Fi adapter and some free software, and they can listen in on all your conversations your phone or laptop is having with the outside world. Lots of public and hotel Wi-Fi access points don't even use WPA. Therefore, any device that it's connected to that hotel Wi-Fi is effectively sending all the data in clear text, allowing any remote attacker to identify and extract information. Corporate networks generally have sophisticated security systems in place. The vast majority of public Wi-Fi networks in hotels have none of these. It's relatively simple for hackers to execute man-in-the-middle and man-in-the-browser attacks due to this lowered security standard. It's not just poor security, hotel networks are very lucrative for cybercrime. They're often targeted. They're relatively wealthy travellers, just business people all checking in remotely to check their bank accounts, PayPal and webmail accounts and so on. The higher the class of hotel, the greater risk of attackers attracted by the big rewards. A typical attack involves compromising the hotel Wi-Fi network and then simply tricking users to downloading and installing a backdoor to install spyware. Or the evil twin attack, where they set up a copy of the real network, make it free, and just wait for people to connect. They then steal usernames, account details and passwords, or just redirect users to malware sites. There are even specialist groups who create new attacks and share them, like the dark hotel hackers. There is only one solution to using a hotel Wi-Fi connection safely, and that's to use a VPN. This encrypts your data and protects your connection from any cybercriminals. If you're traveling and using any public Wi-Fi at all, you should always use a VPN. Click below for the most secure VPN on the web, or visit identityvoucher.co.uk for a discount code.